Good morning, everybody. I have decided that while everyone is still asleep, because it's 6:30 in the morning, I would do a really quick project. There is no sewing to this. It is a Moments by Liz pattern for a gift card holder. However, I will be using mine to store my cards in my bag because I'm always getting asked, do I have a card? And I keep forgetting to make one that matches my current bag, which is, as usual, green. So I'm just going to lay this pattern down. Now, I haven't laminated it because I was more interested in getting the video done. Oh, and my child just woke up anyway. Good morning, sweetie pie. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
So I'm just going to trace around this. Do you want to help Mummy today?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let's do it.
I want to be Jack Frost.
You want to be Jack Frost. Would you like Mummy to make you a Jack Frost costume? Honey?
No.
Do you want a Jack Frost costume?
No.
Or do you just want a Jack Frost stick?
I want a Jack Frost stick.
Okay, how about we go out to the horsey
so
paddock?
I got to fly.
You want to fly? Okay, how about we go out to the horsey paddock and get a Jack Frost stick? Alright, so I'm just going to cut this out. Do you know there's like hundreds of people watching you right now? Well, there will be. Did you have good sleeps? Yeah? Alright. You get to help push all this down. Okay? So, Mummy's going to clip this onto the pattern with some Wonder Clips, and then you get to punch all the holes. Does that sound fun? And the reason we're doing the clips is so it doesn't shift. All right, you ready? Jessie,
Yeah.
you want to squish it?
Yeah.
Go, pull. Good job. Next one. Ready, steady, go. Up. And the next one. Go, push. And one more. Good job. All right. He decided he didn't want to stay anymore. So we've punched our holes. Now I'm just going to take my cam snaps and I'm going to put in the mail or the sticky outy part in the top. Like that. And then we just have to wrap up the bottom. So we want to bring one side in first, and then I'm going to stab it through. And then I'm just going to grab the other side and stab that on there as well. And then we bring up the bottom last. And that way it hides all of the raw edges at the bottom. So then I'm just going to put the female part in the machine. Squish that down there. And press it down. And that's literally it. And I did check, and it does fit, I don't know, there's like half a dozen cards there. It does get a little bit tight, but if I wanted to, I could also just extend it down where this snap goes, just down a little bit further, and then you'll fit more cards. But that is like a great scrap buster, and especially if you're one to give gift cards at Christmas, because then they can use it for the next person, and it goes around and around. So there you go, guys.